Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by powering the phone fully off and removing the SIM tray. This prevents short circuits. Next, apply controlled heat along the lower display edge for 1 to 2 minutes to soften adhesive. Once done, attach a suction cup and lift gently, inserting thin picks to keep a gap. Make sure to work slowly around the bezel so the OLED glass doesn't flex. You'll separate the screen just enough to access internal screws and connectors without tearing any flex cables. You'll now remove internal obstacles. Unscrew the mid-frame screws and lift out the metal bracket covering connectors so you can clearly see the battery and display plugs. Carefully disconnect the display first, then the battery connector to eliminate power. After isolation, slide a plastic pry tool under the battery edge and pull the adhesive strips slowly. Keep steady tension so they peel out whole. If a strip snaps, reheat the area briefly and work around the cell. Never puncture or bend the battery. You position the new Pixel 3 battery in the bay, aligning contacts and securing it with fresh adhesive strips. Once seated, reconnect the battery and then the display connector in that order. Before sealing, power the phone on to confirm boot and basic touchscreen function. This prevents redoing adhesive later. If it boots, power off, apply adhesive around the frame, and press the display into place evenly. If the phone won't boot, check connectors, confirm battery orientation, and ensure the new cell is charged.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.